Girls wanted a beer, guys wanted a dater. I'm talking about the one and only Tiffani Thiessen from Saved by the Bell and Beverly Hills 90210, who's done a whole bunch of stuff since she became America's girlfriend. Now, I chatted with the star of the Netflix original, Alexa and Kate, about her just-released debut cookbook, Pull Up a Chair. So first off, what inspired you to want to create this cookbook?
Yeah, it was probably a very big personal kind of, thing that I wanted to kind of leave behind for my family. My love of cooking started when I was little, and my family and all the women in my family. And so I kind of wanted to leave behind a little bit of love, and legacy of mommy's recipes for my kids. And truly, the sentiment, with what Pull Up a Chair really kind of means, especially for me personally, is the connection that people get when sitting down and actually enjoying a meal with someone that they love, whether it's family or friends, and that's really just what the whole book is all about.
It's so important to spend that time with your family, sitting around for that evening dinner with them, or any meal
Yep.
for that matter. So we both have kids. Are there any good kid-friendly dishes or kid-friendly recipes ideas that you have in the book?
Oh my gosh, I have so many. You have no idea. I'm kind of the same way. One of my, I have a couple recipes that I name after my family, and it's some of their favorites. And I have a little boy who's 3, so of course, who doesn't love mac and cheese? And
oh my gosh,
I
yes.
actually sneak butternuts. Yeah, I sneak butternut squash into mine, and he has no idea, and it's so good. And I actually like it better, I really do. And in front of me, I'm here with Cuisinart. My daughter loves the avocado brownies, and a lot of people don't realize that you can actually swap out any sort of like oil or butter that you would use as the fat for your baking, and you can use avocado, and you can't taste it at all either.
Oh, really?
So I try, I'm a little bit of a scientist too. I try to sneak things in when I can.
No, that's, you got to. Sometimes we have a really picky 4-year-old eater, and we have to sneak in the spinach powder into her waffles. So she gets green waffles, but she's so used to it now, she just eats it anyway, right?
Oh my gosh, that's so smart. I mean, that's what smoothies are all about for so many parents in the morning, right?
Yeah, exactly. So what about those picky eaters? Yep. Now, mac and cheese, of course, is our Monday night staple at home for us. Are there any good picky eating recipes that you'd advise us to check out?
Yeah, I mean, definitely, that is definitely one of them. A lot of the recipes come from either when I was little and it was the recipes that my mom or my aunt or my grandmother were doing, to a lot of the ones that I'm doing for my own family. So I've got a plethora of recipes, 125 in this book. It's a hefty book. I didn't realize how heavy it was going to be until it came. It's pretty amazing.
It's a little heavy here, so she called me sweetheart twice during that interview, just FYI. It looks like that might have made the cutting room floor, but she was very awesome, and she was very cool to talk to. So like she said, breakfast, apps, entrees, drinks, desserts. This bad boy is jammed packed. You're going to want to check it out.